Immersive Assembly Evolve 4 Dreams and Echoes is the fourth annual talent development programme from Mediali, focused on learning, peer critique and developing new collaborations and project prototypes around immersive arts and technology. This year we've partnered with the Cultural Programme at the Schwarzman Centre for Humanities, University of Oxford, and the Chen Kaishan Digital Hub at Jesus College, Oxford. And we've also been supported by Arts Council England. The cohort this year have worked with academic researchers at the University of Oxford to explore themes of dreams, echoes and consciousness.
We need programmes like this to support this depth of research because the world changes through testing, iterating ideas, not just with audiences in our immediate vicinity, but in a much broader sense. So in this first instance, the quality of research is important. The content excavation, the ideas testing, the kind of pushing things around and seeing what's possible together from totally different perspectives is how we get to a much more diverse way of thinking about the world around us.
Getting to collaborate with a neuroscientist from Oxford University has been so mind-opening and really kind of taken our thoughts and our ideas and our interests in like really unique direction. So it's been great and just lovely to be part of such a wonderful cohort and have such a supportive team.
We really believe in nurturing talent, in innovation, in risk-taking and kind of supporting artists to think about their journey and have support on that journey. So this felt like the most amazing kind of match for us, particularly because I think what we're really excited by is how academic research and artists and creatives can collaborate to kind of make something new. And so this is the perfect model to give everybody the time and space and support to allow that to happen.
It's been a really, really invaluable experience. We've been able to connect with academics and access research that we otherwise would not have been able to, that has been so valuable to our creative practice.
And I've learned new tools as well for developing immersive experiences. I thought about what like the technical process as well.
I've never made work exactly like this either, and I think that's collaborating with you that brought those new ideas into my practice, so thank you.
The sense of experimentation was really cool. I love the fact that you selected 6 artists and then hashed them together into collaborations. That was really exciting and really risky, and produce some really interesting work and potentially, I guess, produce more interesting work than just let them off and go do their own thing.
It has to be unexpected. It has to be serendipitous. There has to be a space for confident and unconfident exploration and for trials and experiments and things like that.
By supporting arts and research in this way, we actually start to influence the future. So by taking stock today and enabling future thinkers, we actually start to shape a better world, not just for our immediate arts and academic communities, but for the world at large.